Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to HolidAMY Day 8. Today is going to be, as promised, my holiday decor tour. I already did a holiday home haul, so you saw some of this stuff, and I told you I'd show you how I use it in the apartment. So that's what we're doing today. So if you want to see how I decorated this year, just keep watching. So as usual, we're starting in the bedroom. I don't know why, but I always start in the bedroom. Basically in the bedroom, there's just a lot of fairy lights. I like to make the bedroom as cozy as possible, and it has been such a joy laying in there at night with all the lights off, but all the Christmas lights on. I actually didn't intend to do this, but we bought one of those copper wire string of lights, and I put it around the base of my fiddly fig tree, which is currently living in our bedroom. It's usually in the living room, but since we had to move the bookshelf for the tree to where the fiddly fig was, we moved this into the bedroom. So I just put some lights around the base of the tree, and I've been enjoying that. And then I've always had this miniature Christmas tree. The lights stopped working on it, so we took those off and put some new ones on. And then I have, of course, one of my Christmas Eve Yankee candles. This is my favorite Christmas candle. If you don't know, I can link it down below. Whatever I can link that I'm talking about down below will be linked, so check down there. This, unfortunately, I cannot link. It's from my childhood, but I love it. It's just a Mickey Mouse candle topper. He's missing an ear, but I still love him so much. He's got toys and a Christmas tree. And then as we move around the room, I have the normal twinkle lights that I keep on the headboard, but they're just nice and Christmassy. But on the bed, I do have a couple of Christmassy pillows or cushions, whatever you want to call them. I got both of these at Nordstrom Rack. This one is a little fox wearing a scarf and a little hat, and he's so cute. And then this other one I just love because I feel like it's very just winter appropriate, not necessarily Christmas, but it has these beautiful just kind of fir trees in a few different colors, and I just love it. I was really gravitating towards this pillow, so I purchased it. And I think it looks really nice, and I love a holiday cushion. I've mentioned that before. It's just fun to jazz up your couch and your bed with fun cushions. So I have those on the bed. And then as you make your way over to the other side of the room, I have a new addition this year, this string of larger Christmas colorful bulb lights. I really enjoyed having the ghosts around the mirror during Halloween time, so I wanted to get some lights for Christmas time. And we didn't have any of these bigger old-timey Christmas lights, so we got a strand of those, and I think I can link them below. They were from Target. They were $7. And I love them. And then just on top of my jewelry case, I have, this is also from my childhood, it's just a little Grinch snow globe. He's there with Cindy Lou, and I just think it's really cute, and I had to fight my brother for this, and I won, so. But yeah, that sums up the bedroom. Just a few little things here and there, mostly just twinkle lights, because like I said, I love it at nighttime to fall asleep. Well, I have to turn off all the lights before I go to sleep, but when I'm winding down, it's nice to have all of those lights. And then moving into the bathroom, we'll get to my wreath in a minute. I can't stop talking about my damn pom-pom wreath. But we have the twinkle lights that stay up all year round. Most of what's Christmassy in here is my Lush Christmas bath bombs that I decorate in this jar. If you want to see my Lush Christmas haul, I'll link it up in the corner. But right now I just have this Rudolph bath bomb in the front. I've been really enjoying trying all of the new stuff that came out this year because there's been so many things. I also have this little polar bear bubble bar that I thought was so cute that I featured him on my little soap dish. And then some Mrs. Meyer's holiday soap. But yeah, just my little Lush corner that I think is fun. And then over by the toilet, we have the Mrs. Meyer's peppermint candle. It is my favorite for this time of year. Then of course the oil diffuser, which I think I was also diffusing peppermint. And then on the shelf that is by the shower, I just added this little snowman holding a candy cane candle that I've had since my childhood, and I think he's really cute and just adds a fun little pop of Christmas and color. And then moving our way towards the door, as you've seen on my Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, I literally cannot stop making pom-poms. It has been the joy of my holiday season. I will link the pom-pom makers I use down below and the little wire wreath that I used to make this wreath, but I just made a crap ton of pom-poms, tied them all onto this wreath base, and there you have a really cute and festive little wreath that I'm just obsessed with. So moving on into the living room. First, I'm just giving you a quick little pan of the entire room so you can see kind of what it looks like. I have a lot more Halloween decorations than I do Christmas, but I do still have quite a bit, and I love decorating for Christmas, but it's a little bit more pared down, which I actually enjoy. It's a little less clutter. So by the front door on this little table, I have another Christmas Eve candle. I always have one in the living room and the bedroom because it's just the best scent. It smells like strawberries and jasmine. It's not even really Christmassy, but to me it is. It smells like home. And then I have this amazing super tall bottle bristle tree from Target. I can link that one down below. I got that this year. I love that thing. It is so tall, and I love the dark green color. And then next to it on the mantle, we have Geppetto, which I don't want to hear one ill word about Geppetto. He's family, okay? I know he creeps a lot of people out, but to me, he's just family. He's literally been sitting on the mantle of my Christmases since before I was born, so he doesn't creep me out at all. Bradley is very creeped out by him, but it doesn't matter. So we put him up on the... He's our elf on the shelf, the OG elf on the shelf. And then I have this cute little gumdrop candle, also from my childhood. I have a little Rudolph stuffed animal, which I don't even know where I got that. I love this Merry and Bright sign that I got years ago at Home Goods. I got that like literally 10 years ago, but I love it. I just love that saying, and I love that it's glittery and the Christmas lights. And then I have my little scene of these really creepy, like, carolers. Did anybody else have these growing up? I just stole them from my parents, so I have those. And then, of course, in the corner we have the pièce de résistance. Did I say that right? And did I use that right? Whatever. We have the Christmas tree. I did a whole video on us decorating our Christmas tree, so I will link that up in the corner. It's a bit more of like an ornament tour and just what some of the ornaments mean and where we got them and all that. And then next to the Christmas tree, we have the fireplace and the mantle. I have this wicker snowman that my mom passed down to me, and I love it. It used to have lights on it, but the lights stopped working, so we took it off. One day I want to restring lights on it, but it's been kind of difficult. But even without the lights, I think it's super cute. It's just kind of like neutral and understated, but it's still like a big Christmas decor piece, and I just really love it. So we always put him in the corner of the fireplace. And then on top of the mantle, I have some more bottle bristle trees. I'm obsessed with those, as you've seen and you will continue to see in this video. I got this super cute Candy Cane Lane sign after I filmed my decor tour, and then a little reindeer on the end. But yeah, I just have these two bottle bristle trees that I got from Anthropology years ago. I just love the mint and the pink. I like that they're still Christmassy, but they're like kind of more neutral colors. And then of course we have the colorful lights. I love colorful lights during Christmas time. They remind me of like sprinkles on a sugar cookie. And like I said, we picked up that sign at Nordstrom Rack of all places. It was like $6. I'm obsessed with it. And it was actually Bradley's idea to put it right there. And then I have this glitter reindeer that I actually got from Target, I think like 3 years ago. They have some variation of them each year, but yeah, I love it. I love how glittery it is, and I just love it up on the mantle. So yeah, there is the fireplace mantelpiece, the Christmas tree, and then the top of the entertainment system. It's Christmas Central. And of course, we always have the fireplace on because it's nice and cozy. And then moving over to the other side, or like behind the living room area, I hauled this in our Trader Joe's winter grocery haul, but I picked up this really cute like felt garland from Trader Joe's that I just strung across this mirror back here. And I love it. I think it's very like Christmassy, but adds a lot of color. And so yeah, I picked that up. And then the piece of furniture, it's pretty much decorated the way it always is, but I did add this amazing advent calendar that I also got this year. I hauled that in my home haul. It's from Target. It was about $35, which is a little bit pricey, but for something I'm going to use every year and love, I had to have it. And I filled it up with chocolates for Bradley to open each night. And it's just so cute. It has all these little different colorful doors, and they all open, and there's a pretty good amount of space in there. You could fit like maybe small toys and chocolate and candy and all that. And then it has some bottle bristle trees yet again at the top. And I just thought it was so cute, and I had to have it. So yeah, there's my little favorite area of the apartment. There was me given a peace sign, but I just like this little area. It's very colorful, and this is my favorite piece of furniture I own, so it's just my fave. And then moving over to the little area behind the couch, I recently picked up this joy sign. This is actually from the LC Lauren Conrad line at Kohl's, and I just put it behind this candle that I got at Home Goods. I love this candle. We've had it for a little bit. I never burn it because I never want it to run out. And then I'm just so obsessed with this joy sign. It's a neon light sign. Even when it's not lit up though, it looks pretty good. And for neon signs, it was pretty affordable, and I got it for 40% off, so I was just really pleased with that. I'm actually going to be uploading a Lauren Conrad LC haul, I think, so stay tuned for that. But then next to it, I just have this little white ceramic house I got at Target, a little snowman candle, a tree, and then on the other side, I have this Santa candle. I always want to say Santa candle. But yeah, there's a little area behind the couch, super cute. And then all the way back around to the like beginning of the living room, I have the desk or the little stand that has my oil diffuser on it. And I just put these two like burlap wrapped like small Christmas trees behind it, and I actually really love the way this looks. So yeah, I just put those two back there. They were $3 each. It's incredible. and it just smells really nice when I have my pine oil in there, and it looks super wintry. And yeah, so that is it for the like base of the living room. Again, it's not a ton, but it's just a few accents of Christmas cheer. And then back in the corner, in the like near the kitchen, I have this shelf. As I've said, I have a lot more shelves in our apartment this year, so I've been enjoying decorating with the shelves. But I just have this really cute Christmas tree print, which was actually sent to me by a viewer. She has an Etsy shop. It's Ezra Creative Co. I will link it down below. Then I have this little gingerbread lady that I think I got in like a McDonald's Happy Meal toy like years ago. A little candy cane striped candle. I have this countdown to Christmas thing that we got at Michael's. And then I have some of the random things like an air plant and a crystal. You'll see a lot of crystals in this video because I just went crystal shopping, so they're everywhere. And then I have that peppermint candle that I got, that I hauled. And then, yeah, just a little festive touch in the kitchen. But then moving on to the kitchen, I don't have a ton in here. Every year I do string these little, they're not little, they're actually pretty big, like ornaments that are glittery. They look like those big Christmas lights, and I just hang them up above the sink. And then I have this really cute sign that I love that says, "In the meadow we could build a snowman." I just love how colorful it is, and I've been hanging these like this in my last apartment too, so I was happy to do it over my sink here as well. And I just love that this sign looks like weathered and vintage, and I love those people. I love this area. So yeah, that's all above my sink. And then the only other Christmassy thing I have in here is my Nutcracker dish towel from Anthropologie. But yeah, that sums up the kitchen. Now onto the den. Well, the den slash office. I don't know why we call it the den, but I have another pom-pom wreath. This one I just made more like traditional Christmas colors of a couple of greens and red and white, and I'm obsessed with it. And I just have it hanging on this door. And above it, I do have some mistletoe that I also got at Trader Joe's. And yeah, just entering in this room, we actually do have a little Christmas tree. I actually got this Christmas tree at Michael's for $16. It was on like super sale, and I was just like, yeah, let's buy that and I'll figure out where to put it. But yeah, just again, a few bits and bobs in here, nothing like overpowering. But over here we do have the Christmas lights that stay up all year round because they look nice in the back of my videos. And then again, another bottle bristle tree. I got this one at Home Goods. They had a lot this year, so I only picked up this one. I liked the big like square gold base of it. So I have that for in the background of videos. And then also over here, I love this. I just ended up putting this really weird like candy cane Christmas tree that I got at Michael's a couple years ago onto my Bath and Body Works like candle stand to hold it up a little bit. And I just love it. I love the design of this. I love candy cane stripes and peppermint stripes, so I just thought it was really cute. And I love it on the little candle stand, and it's just right below my perfume shelf. So yeah, that's all I have over in this area of the apartment. I'm just showing you my nail polish, even though there's nothing Christmassy about it. I just wanted to show it off. And then moving over to the other side of the room, I don't really have anything Christmassy on the main desk area. But in our pink chair from World Market, which I can link down below, we have our Mickey peppermint pillow, which I also got this year. I love this thing. It smells like peppermint, which is fun, but it's just really soft, and I think it's really cute. And it's not that big, but I love it. So we have that there. And then I have a couple of things up on the shelf. We have my little deer candles, a Christmas tree. Again, you'll be seeing a lot of crystals in this. And then I have that really weird have a jolly holiday sign with the deer in it that I got at Michael's. And I have these pink lights that are strung up all year round. And then I have this snowman thing, which my mom gave it to me when I moved out. So I've had that forever. And yeah, then we just have the Christmas tree, and it is a little crammed over in this area right now just because it's been raining a lot. So I brought in the Alice in Wonderland sign from my bridal shower that's normally outside, and then the guitar, and then the tree. So it's a little bit crammed in this corner, but I still love it, and it's really nice at night. Which, speaking of nighttime, everything is just like so much more amped up at night. So when it starts to get dark, we get really cozy. I light the big candle. I turned on all the lights, and it's just the best. This joy sign runs on batteries and has a timer setting, which is really nice, so it turns itself off after 7 hours. We of course have some more lights strung on our balcony outside. I love the colorful lights for out there, and I love that they peek through the window so I can see them at night. And then, yeah, just everything you already saw pretty much. Just everything comes to life at night. More Christmassy candles. Bradley's beer cans ruining my shot, but that's okay. But yeah, it's just really nice and cozy, and we like to turn off as many lights as possible and just like live by the lights of the Christmas lights. So yeah. But okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little holiday, I almost said Halloween. Nope, Christmas decor tour. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow with another HolidAMY video because this one is late. So I will see you tomorrow. But I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you're having a really nice December so far, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.